Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well and doing safe. Welcome back to my channel or welcome if you're new here. My name is Dipanita. Today's video is going to be a comparison between Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lip Color and Faces Canada Comfy Matte Lip Color with natural oils. I have total 6 shades, 3 shades from Maybelline and 3 shades from Faces Canada. I will be swatching them and I will be sharing my opinion with you guys. Now liquid lipsticks are something that I always prefer. Like I prefer liquid lipsticks more than bullet lipsticks because liquid lipsticks एक तो long lasting होती है, secondly transfer नहीं होती है. So yeah, and Maybelline Superstay जो लिपस्टिक है ना वो बहुत ज़्यादा renowned है, बहुत popular है. So I thought of like doing a comparison between two so that by the end of the video you can decide which one you should get for yourself. Now without any more blabbering, let's get started with today's video. Let's go. Okay, let's start with the Faces Canada Comfy Matte Lip Color with natural oils. These lipsticks are free from parabens and alcohol. That's how the product looks like. बहुत ही slick, small packaging है, तो आप इसको easily आपके साथ carry कर सकते हो. And travel friendly packaging है. These lipstick retails for ₹399 for 3 ml of product. The reason I'm sharing this lipstick first is because I love the formulation. They are lightweight, great for daily usage. They are long lasting, they don't smudge, and the best part is कि अगर आप कुछ खाते हो ना दिन sometimes क्या होता है कि like lips के between से वो जो color है वो fade away हो जाती है, but with these lipsticks वो फेड नहीं होगी. हाई कलर पे ऑफ एंड स्मूथली आपके लिप्स पे वो ग्लाइड हो जाएगी. दो इट्स अ लिक्विड मैट लिपस्टिक, बट ये लिपस्टिक आपके लिप्स को बिल्कुल भी ड्राई नहीं कर देगी, जो कि मेरे लिए बहुत ही बड़ी कंसर्न है. नॉट फॉर मी बट फॉर ऑल द लेडीज आउट देयर, बिकॉज लिक्विड मैट लिपस्टिक्स पे क्या होती है कि लिप्स ना बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाती है एंड वो बहुत अनकम्फर्टेबल है, लाइक बोलने में भी प्रॉब्लम होती है ना. बट दीज लिपस्टिक्स आर very smooth, very soft, and they are not drying matte. Okay, this lipstick is enriched with natural oils such as almond oil and vitamin E, and you are getting total 12 shades to choose from. Overall, I would highly recommend these lipsticks. Most importantly, these are comfortable. Okay, great for daily usage and they are very comfortable. And here comes the swatches. So the first shade that I have is shade 12, which is a beautiful bright orange color. Shade 06, which is a beautiful bright magenta color. This color will go with every skin tone and it's a very bright color ना, तो बहुत ही beautiful दिख रही है. Then I have the shade 08, which is a beautiful burnt orange or a terracotta color. Again something that will go with every skin tone. And I always prefer terracotta or like burnt oranges more than normal orange color. So yeah, that's it for the Faces Canada Comfy Matte Lip Color. Now let's move on to the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lip Color. So again, I have 3 shades with me. Let's start with the pricing first. These lipsticks retail for ₹699, so there is a huge difference in pricing. Comfy Matte Liquid Lip Color retails for ₹399, which is way more affordable. The first thing that I noticed with the matte ink lip colors that the shades are not constant. For example, the shade 40 Believer. Okay, the shade 40 Believer is very patchy, very uneven. Like you can't apply the product evenly on your lips. आप thinly apply करो, thickly apply करो, no matter आप कैसे apply कर रहे हो, properly apply नहीं होती है. जबकि बाकी जो 2 शेड्स हैं मेरे पास, ग्लोब ट्रॉटर एंड आर्टिस्ट, दोनों शेड्स डिसेंटली पिगमेंटेड हैं बट कंसिस्टेंसी थोड़ी सी डिफरेंट है. फॉर एग्जांपल 120 ग्लोब ट्रॉटर जो शेड है ना वो बहुत ही थिन कंसिस्टेंसी की है, जबकि आर्टिस्ट जो शेड है वो थोड़ी सी थिक कंसिस्टेंसी की है. तो ये चीज़ मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रही है. लाइक आप सेम रेंज के जो प्रोडक्ट्स लॉन्च कर रहे हो उनकी कंसिस्टेंसी कह लो, उनकी लाइक टेक्सचर सेम होनी चाहिए है ना, बट लिपस्टिक्स के सेम नहीं है, विच इज़ क्वाइट अनोइंग टू बी ऑनेस्ट. दीज लिपस्टिक्स आर लॉन्ग लास्टिंग, ट्रांसफर प्रूफ, स्मच प्रूफ. अगर आप कुछ खाते हो देन ये इजीली रिमूव नहीं होगी. बहुत ही ज़्यादा लॉन्ग लास्टिंग पावर है इसकी, बट ड्राइंग है, लाइक ड्राइंग मैट लिपस्टिक्स है ये. ठीक है, अगर आपकी पैची लिप्स है, लाइक अगर आपकी पैची क्रैक्ड लिप्स हैं देन मैं ये लिपस्टिक्स आप लोगों को रिकमेंड नहीं करूँगी. देन डेफिनेटली आप लोग फेसेस कैनेडा कम्फी मैट लिक्विड लिप कलर ट्राई करना. because those are way more comfortable comparing to these lip shades. I love the applicator of this product, like it's a pointed doe foot applicator, तो आप इससे आपकी lips को precisely line कर सकते हो and then fill तो कर ही सकते हो. And here comes the swatches. First shade that I will be swatching is 40 Believer, just to show you guys the consistency and the patchiness that this shade has. So yeah, you guys can see that how uneven my lips are looking. I don't really use this shade, but still I have this one to show you guys, and here I'm showing it to you. Now let's move on to my favorite shade, which is 120 Artist, which is a beautiful bright purple color, and I love this shade you guys. It's so gorgeous. थोड़ी सी drying है, like थोड़ी सी नहीं, काफ़ी हद तक drying है, but definitely जो color है वो बहुत ही beautiful है. Then I have the shade 135 Globetrotter, which is a beautiful burnt orange shade. As I mentioned earlier that I always prefer burnt oranges or like dark orange shades, terracotta oranges, because I feel like normal orange जो shades आती है या तो जो bright orange shades आती है ना, वो मेरे लिप्स पे थोड़ी से फ्लैश आउट हो जाती है. So that's why I like to use dark orange shades. So here is my overall conclusion. Both the lip shades are great for daily usage, but the only thing is Faces Canada Comfy Matte lip colors are way more comfortable comparing to Superstay Matte Ink, Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. Otherwise दोनों ही like long lasting है, then smudge proof है, water resistant है, transfer proof है. But when it comes to comfort, Faces Canada Comfy Matte lip color will definitely win. And yeah, with that we completed today's video. So this is the small comparison, quick small comparison between Faces Canada Comfy Matte lip color and Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lip color. Also, this video is not sponsored by any of the brands. However, I have received Faces Canada Comfy Matte lip color on my PR and shared my honest opinion with you guys. And I will provide the buying links in my description box, so please check out from there. And see you guys soon. Bye and take care.